Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel again. In this video lesson, I will share with you the new unit 3 for listeners. But before I teach you these ones, I would like all of you tell me that you studied with me last week in this unit 2, the what? The physical and human environment, right? So I have some questions on this. What is environment? Okay, environment is our surroundings. And what is landscape? Landscape is a part of the environment, right? Example like we can see lakes, forest, and beach. It is a part of the uh, environment. And how many types of environments are there? So there are two, right? The first one, physical. I mean, landscape is made up of natural components that have not been altered by human, right? Like mountain, lake, forest, etc. And human environment is ones where the landscape is man-made, altering the environment. Example like cities, buildings, houses. Yes, these are called human environments that can be man-made and altering this environment. Okay, now come back to our unit 3 for listeners. Okay, uh, so I think that everybody knows this well, the values of forest. Also, there are many uh, values of this forest, but I only extracted some points that you have to follow this. The first one is that they provide habitat for animals, right? You can see this picture. We can see the monkey in the forest. I mean, monkey can use these trees or the forest for their homes to live in, yeah, but not for animals, but also for humans. Okay, so some people can live in the forest, mountain as well. They have to recycle the earth supplies of oxygen. Okay, have keep soils, make soil soft, put fertile, yeah, fertile. So you can take a look at these two pictures. The first picture is called twice soils. It makes soil soft. We can plant tree, yeah, or plant crops plant on the soil, twice soil, yeah, because it has fertilizer. And this soil, if you can say that clay soil, yeah, clay soil. And roots, yeah, roots of the forest of the tree lessen erosion from water, yeah. Tree buffer noise, block wind, yeah. When it has, okay, when there is the storms come to our house, these trees or this forest can block the wind to make our house break down. Okay, can help us like this, a block wind. And trees slow down water runoff in the watershed. Yeah, trees slow down water runoff in the watershed. Now move on to the next slide. This next slide, you can see the one pictures on this slide. There is a bird on the tree, and what is it eating? Yeah, it's eating fruits on the tree, right? Yeah, they have us breed. Even have all lives in the world breed, like tree here or tree itself, and humans and animals. Yeah, they keep us cool. They make it rain. They fight flooding. They make air fresh. Okay, they make air fresh. For example, like when you are stressed, or many people always go to the beach with a lot of trees and the forest, because in there, so a tree or the forest can make air fresh. People can relax there, and they feed us. We can see, yeah, the picture that I put for use on the computer screen display with a bird that it eating the fruit on the tree, but not also for the bird. It also for humans. Okay, and they help us make things. For example, like eat leaf or eat branches. People can make souvenirs for selling to the people when they make this souvenir. It's good, so people can buy it to give each other the present as a birthday, right? Okay, so now move on to the next slide. Forest economic benefit. Okay, so the first one, provide wood timber. Yeah, provide wood timber. It means the forest provide us with the timbers that can be burned directly as firewood or as charcoal for lighting, heating, and cooking. Yeah, and fuel as wood. Yes, wood can be made as uh, to be fuels. You can link to this website to know, or you can type on your uh, phones or computer to know how fuels can be made. Okay, and the next one can make paper. Yeah, paper is made from wood as well. Products made from the wood plant and fungi or fungi. Yeah. Okay, add to landscape areas with plant life in parks. Okay, national parks are popular destinations. So many national park when there's a lot of tree or forest there. So uh, it or they can be kept as the national park for people's destinations there. Yeah, it also popular where it has a lot of tree with a clean area. Okay, so look at this slide. Why are forests being depleted? Why are forests being depleted? Why? Like tourists in Cambodia. You can link to this video. Okay, I mean the first one, a clear forest for farming, right? When people have the settlement over there, people need space or need farming land, right? They can clear the forest for farming and lumber wood. Okay, and also for mining. Okay, road constructions, urban development city. Yes, urban development city. So when people live there, so and also there are a lot of people over there. People always make uh, a development place or areas, so it can be made a city. So they have to develop that area. Yeah, they have to cut down the tree or the forest to make it clear. That's why the forests are being depleted. And this life consequences of deforestation. It means that a removal of tree from the forest. Yeah. What are the consequences of deforestation? Okay. Can be natural from fire or not, with people cutting them down. Yeah. Provide the best natural protective cover for the soil. Yeah. Once the wet soil become runoffs, fires burn our controls. Many species of plants and animals die. Haze caused from burning and more carbon dioxide is released, created health issue for people. Yeah. Poor visibility, or you can't see from the haze. Okay. So these are the consequences of deforestation. Removal tree from the forest. Yeah. So there are many main points for of the deforestation like this. So now move on to the next one. How can we save the rainforest? How? Can you pause the videos and think a little bit about how can you save the rainforest? Okay. Uh, Protecting rainforest can be done through managing and replanting. Yes. I mean, people should replant the trees in the rainforest and protect the rainforest by the government. Yeah. And trees should be replanted in clear areas. When there are clear areas in the rainforest, so we should replant it again, replant the tree in the clear area. Cutting or trimming trees will help larger trees grow. Okay, cutting or trimming tree will help larger tree growth. Governments must create law to protect the trees. Okay, the government in the country should or must not. We don't use should. We use must. Even people must do or must take care. Must follows. Yes, the law that the government create to protect the trees. For only certain trees should be cut down. Yeah, inspections. Okay, inspections of insects, disease, and animals should be done. Okay, when harvesting, keep waste amount low. Use your packaging matters, or use banana leaves. Yeah. Use paper packagings matters, or use banana leaves. And about case studies of the Amazon. Okay, case study of the Amazon. Large area covers in rainforest. Yeah, large area covers in rainforest. Much of it has been cut down due to illegal logging, farming, roadway, and for its resources. Yes, it's sad to say the tropical rainforests are shrinking fast due to excessive deforestation. It is estimated that about 1,000 square kilometers, the size of the island, yeah, of the forested areas is being felled annually to make way for lumbering, farming, mining, transport, network settlement, and other human needs. This has led to the disappearance of thousands of species of plants and animals. Even many of the native tribes have been squeezed out of existence in the Brazilian Amazonia. Yes. Okay. The next one is main cause of deforestation are lumbering, agriculture, mining, transportation, and settlements. The same as I mentioned about in the second point here. Yep. Lumbering, agriculture, mining, transportation, and settlements. So you can link to these videos lessons. Okay, look at the next one. What has lost and cost? Okay, loss of flora and fauna. Yeah. What is flora and fauna? Flora and fauna refer to plants and animals in the broadest sense of the word, encompassing pretty much of life on Earth. And we can say that we have to remember this. Flora refer to all the plant life. Yeah, flora refer to all plant life, and fauna refer to all animal lives. It means that uh, fauna cannot prepare their own food, so they depend upon the flora for their food. Yeah. And soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion. Warming. Yeah, global warming and environmental pollution impacts on the native people there. Impacts on the native people there. Yes, that's why it has loss and cost like this. Okay, the next one, to save it, we must what? How can we save? Okay, a reverse forest area, so they cannot cut down it. Control deforestation. Yeah, it means when we can, yes, we can control the deforestation. It means it includes the most important points. It means that the government in the country have to make a law to protect this one. It's important. And practice selective logging. Okay, practice selective logging. So what tree? Yes, which areas, which part that they can be cut down, can be, yeah, logging. Don't cut all trees down in one area. Reforestation, yeah, reforestation. I mean plant tree. Yeah, have to plant tree more and more as possible. Set aside land for traps. Yeah, set aside land for traps. I mean, trap refer to native people. Yeah, they live on. Yeah, they live in that forest. Okay. In this video lesson, we finish. If you have any questions, you can drop your questions on my own telegrams. Okay, I hope you guys understand what I have given you explanations from the first line to the last line. Okay, goodbye, good luck.